This video is for you guys because you all have requested this many of times over many different social media platforms. And it is, can you please, Dr. Caitlin, do an entire video of the specific 7 from beginning to end so that I can follow along with you? Well, that's this video. This video is going to show you exactly what to do, and this whole routine is going to take you less than 5 minutes. Now, if you don't know what the specific 7 is, go watch those videos because I've done individual videos breaking it down, where the location is, all of it. Now, in this video, I am going to be doing about 30 seconds, 30 pumps per spot. You get to play with it. As always, I always say between 10 and 50, depending upon the congestion. You have to determine how much congestion you have, where it's at, how much can your body tolerate. So for this video, it's going to be 30 seconds per spot. And if you need clarification on the spots, because I'm not going to be talking through this one, it's literally going to be the flow, go watch those videos. Thanks for doing the specific 7 with me. Be sure to save this video so that you can come back and do it over and over and over again with me. If you're a visual learner and it's not always easy to be on YouTube, you can go ahead and download my posters. I'll have the link below for you to purchase them. There's the specific 7, total 12, so full body, and then there's one specifically for the face, so face and neck. Again, we'll stick that link below. And if you are wondering like the exact location of the specific notes, go and watch the individual ones in the individual videos found in this playlist. Happy draining!